Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. Well, today video you're going to be watching me cook my split peas cook-up mixed with chicken foot and pork. I filmed this video since Old Year's, the 31st of December, but I didn't get a chance to post it, or I didn't do an intro for the video, so I'm now doing it. Today is the 5th, so you guys definitely will see my cook-up video today. Sorry for the late upload. Also, if you like my video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Also, I want to thank everyone who has been watching my videos and subscribing to my channel and giving me the thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that a lot, and I hope everyone is enjoying their New Year so far. I am. So anyway, so you're gonna watch my cook-up video now, so here it goes. Hi guys, well, this is my ingredients for my cook-up. Well, today we're gonna be cooking some split peas cook-up. So I have some chicken foot here and I have some pork. So it's gonna be split peas cook-up with chicken foot and pork. And for my seasoning, I have my green seasoning, my hot sauce, all-purpose season, chicken season, some thyme, garlic, shallots, and some cumin. I'm also using dry coconut. I grated up, but what I'm going to also do is blend it in the blender so you can make nice coconut milk. Also, this is my split peas here. If you guys do not have a pressure pot, you need to soak this for about 24 hours and then boil it for about 20 minutes. It's gonna be soft within 20 minutes. If you don't soak it, this is gonna take you about 2.5 hours to boil. So just make sure that you guys soak your peas for 24 hours. So I'm gonna show you guys now how I blend up my coconut to get the coconut milk. Guys, I'm gonna blend up my coconut now. So I'm gonna put a cup of water in the blender, and I'm gonna put my grated coconut here to blend to make a nice creamy coconut milk. Okay, I'm gonna go and blend my coconut now. Okay, I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of water more and put it to blend again. So when the coconut is finished blending, you're gonna take it out and you're gonna put it in a strainer to strain like this. Okay guys, I just finished straining my coconut, so this is the end result here. Natural coconut milk. So put that aside and let's go and season our meat. So we're gonna put our green seasoning on the chicken foot and some on the pork. We're gonna put mustard hot sauce on the pork and on the chicken foot. I'm also going to put some all-purpose seasoning and some chicken seasoning. I'm going to put the garlic and some thyme. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fry up these meats. I don't think the pot could fry up both at the same time, so I'm probably going to do it individually and let you guys see. Let me just mix this up. Okay, all my chicken foot and my pork has been seasoned up well here, so I'm going to fry it now and show you guys. Okay, I just put my pan on it and I put 2 teaspoons of oil, so I'm going to put my I'm gonna fry up my chicken foot first. Okay, put all my chicken foot in the pan. And then I just cook this here. So my chicken foot has been frying up for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna turn it over. Turn them over. So I'm going to cover my pan now and let it cook for a little bit more. Okay, my chicken foot has been cooked for cooked halfway, so I'm going to take it out of the pan now. Okay, I'm going to put my pork now to fry up. Okay, my pork is going to fry here. So I'm going to leave it to fry here for about 5 minutes without the cover, and then I'm going to put on the cover. Okay, my pork has been cooking for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to cover it down now for another 5 minutes as well. Okay, I'm going to take the cover off of the pork and let it fry down without the cover for about 3-4 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off. Okay, my pork is about near finished, but I'm going to take it off. I'm not allowing the pork nor the chicken foot to cook right through because it's going to cook more inside of the cook-up. Okay, first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw my coconut milk in the pot that I'm cooking the cook-up with. Okay, I just washed my rice. I'm using 1.5 cup of rice. I'm going to put 1.5 cup of rice here. I'm going to put my thyme. I'm going to put 2 cubes. I have some shallots and garlic leaf back in here, so I'm going to put that as well. Mix it up together like this. I'm gonna use this cook-up seasoning. I already put some in the thing. 1/2 teaspoon of cook-up seasoning here. Stir this up here. I'm also gonna put my peas. I'm gonna put about 3 spoons of split peas. Yeah, about 3 spoons of split peas. And then stir it up like this. I'm gonna let this boil for about 15 minutes and then I'll put my meat inside. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna put my meat inside now. Okay, I'm putting my chicken foot now. Okay, I'm gonna put my pork now. My pork. So I'm gonna stir everything together here. Remember, my meat have already been pre-cooked before, so it's almost finished. So I'm gonna stir up everything here and add some more water. Okay, I'm adding a cup of water. You have to make sure that the water is covering everything like this. Yeah. I'm gonna taste it. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything together. I just put some mustard hot sauce in it and a little bit of maybe like 1/2 teaspoon of sugar inside. So I'm gonna stir it up like this. Push down all the meat and cover my pot and let it bubble. We'll be back. Oh my, I forgot I was flaming, so oh my, but okay, my cookup has been on the stove here for about 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna turn it. I really forgot that I was filming this cookup. Okay, I'm gonna turn my pot here. Okay, I just turned my cookup here. Oh, my chicken foot fall out. So my cookup is actually done here. It's finished here, so I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the end results. Okay guys, this is my end results for my Guyanese split piece cookup with pork and chicken foot. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So I also want to wish everyone a happy new year and wish you guys all the best. Okay then, see you in my next video. Bye.